people, this video is specifically for engineering students and I assure you it might help you to a certain extent. Now I understand most of us do not get the concepts which are taught to us in college. Well, there might be several reasons, but to be honest, college mein our minds are distributed between padhai and masti, to which masti wins. Now there's a solution to this problem. Ekeeda, the learning platform, has come out with an amazing offer. Well, to avail this offer, you simply have to download the Ekeeda application on your specific mobile phones. Once you're done with it, you get 1000 study coins. With the help of these study coins, you can fetch free academic courses for subjects like EDC, Mathematics 3 and many more. Without wasting further time, I'll show you how to proceed to get on these offers.